Good morning, all of you. Yesterday we have seen the examples of simple present tense. So today we will go to the simple past and simple future. Both we will see. So before going to start these examples, I would like to complete this format first of all. If the question pattern, see, listen carefully. If the question pattern is in the form of simple present, then the auxiliary verbs of present continuous tense are used. In the same way, if the question pattern is the simple past, then the auxiliary verbs of past continuous tense are used. If the question pattern is in the form of simple future, then the be form of the future continuous tense is used. Okay. So what about these questions? If the question patterns are in the form of continuous tense, need not to change anything. Just you have to use the same auxiliary verb for those tenses v forms, but there is another rule for this. When we go through that, we will see that. Then let us come to these two. If the question pattern is in the form of present perfect, then the be forms of present perfect continuous tense are used, because already we have auxiliary verb have has here, and here also we have has, but we need a be form here to perform passive voice. Then next one, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, if the question is in the form of past perfect tense, then the been forms are used in that. Future perfect tense, no need to worry about this. Government has already erased these type of questions, and regarding these questions, these three, there won't be any question, no passive voice. There is no passive voice. That means there won't be any question. There won't be any question on these three. Also future perfect, but we will convert it into passive voice. That matters when we go through that. So you have to remember that in these three, for these three, there isn't any question. इसमें कोई question नहीं है. Let us see. Let us see the examples of simple past. I will write the question. I am pausing the video. Wait. Okay. Now let us come to the question. Simple past. Simple past is subject plus v2 plus object. Simple past is subject plus v2 plus object, and I have taught you all the rules which we have to perform while transferring the sentence into passive voice. So here the first condition is object will become the subject. Object is what is object. So object will become subject. Or what is our object? Our object is school. Our object is school. School. And then next condition is what? Next condition is to search for an auxiliary verb. Is there any auxiliary verb? There isn't any auxiliary verb. Listen carefully. It may take time, but if you study once, you will remember throughout your life. So school. Yes, for past tense, I already told you the auxiliary verbs are used are was and were. Auxiliary verbs used are was and were. So here here there is a question, which auxiliary verb we have to use here. So you have to use the auxiliary verb according to the noun, which is singular or plural. So school is a singular word, so we have to use was as our auxiliary verb. School was. And nextly it is, you just have to try to convert your main verb. What is our main verb? Main verb is v2. So v2, transferring v2 to v3 is very easy. See here, transferring v1 to v2, transferring v1 to v3, transferring v2 to v3 is easy, but transferring v4 to v3 is different. We will see this, how to change v4 to v3 in continuous tenses. So it is easy to convert v2 to v3. then we can directly convert. What is the v3 form of went? First of all, we have to know the v1, v2, v3, v4 forms. So went is v2, go is v1, and gone is v3, going is v4. So here, what is the verb form we have to use? Remember this: while changing any kind of verb into passive voice, it becomes only and only in v3. This is the main concept of this. So only and v3. So here we will change that verb into v3 form, which is gone. Then after this, the next condition is add by gone by whom hurry 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 hurry. Yes, I have solved the question. Next one: she carried a tiffin box. She carried a tiffin box. Subject will become object. A tiffin box. A, sorry, a tiffin box. A tiffin box. Tiffin box is a singular. So after this, a tiffin box was. Then then v3 form, which is carried itself, carried by whom? Her. She becomes her. Yesterday I have taught all these things. So if you want to understand these all things, you have to see the before video. So without seeing the before video, you won't be able to understand all those things. So see it carefully. Okay, this is your video for today. And sorry, we have another tense also, which we are going to solve it today. So what is the another type of tenses here? This is simple future. Let us see that. Let us start the simple future. Simple future. So what is the formula for the simple future? Is subject plus will shall. Subject plus will shall plus v1 plus object. Verb 1, that means present verb plus object. So let us start it converting. Already I have told you the concept of that. If the question pattern is in the form of simple future, uh, b form of the future continuous tense is used. So let us start with our conditions. Let us start with our rules. First rule is, let me make a tense and let me make a sentence. Let me make two type of sentences, and I am pausing the video. Okay, here are the two type of questions which we have now. Let us understand those questions. Hanuman is the subject and Lanka is the object here. Will shall, v1 is go, and 2 is preposition or something. Let us understand that later. Ravana will kidnap Sita. This is also one type of question I have given to you now. So let us try to change them into the passive voice. So here the first condition is object will become subject. Object is what? Lanka. We can erase these two and all some of the things which are not in needed while making passive voice. We can erase them. So Lanka, here Lanka. After Lanka will be written as it is. After Lanka will. Now this is the thing which we have to use. This will, here it is written as it is, and there is no need of any auxiliary verb here in future tense. And after this we have to take a b form. B form. If you see all the future tenses like a simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense, we have b forms. So here it is to use b form. The first b form which we have in future continuous tense is b. Lanka will be. Then change the v1 form into v3 form. V3 form of go is gone. Lanka will be gone. After v3 directly add by. Lanka will be gone by whom? King Hanuman. Then next question is, Ravana will kidnap Sita. Let us see how he will kidnap. Next, object will become Sita. Object will become subject, which is Sita. letter will, Sita will. Then I already told you be form is used. Be, Sita will be. V3 form of kidnap is. Next condition is what? Next rule is we have to change the V1 form into V3 form. Kidnapped, kidnapped, kidnapped. By whom? By whom? By whom? Me, Ravana. Sorry, Ravana, not me. By Ravana.